Hi everyone, welcome to another property showcase from propertycozy.com. I am Tavia and I will be your property guide for today. Please remember to like, share, subscribe and hit the notification bell to be notified when a new property is available. Let's get into it.
We have here a pristine 5-bedroom, 6-bathroom home in Greenwood, St. James. Greenwood borders the parish of Trelawney and is home to professionals and returning residents. The property is a two-family home with Section 1 comprising of 3 spacious bedrooms, 4 bathrooms, kitchen, large living and dining area, in-unit laundry along with 2-car garage. The second or income generating section has a kitchen, living room and 2 spacious bedrooms with 2 bathrooms and adequate parking. Guys, let's take a look at this house and please watch the entire video and leave a comment at the end. The asking price for this house is Jamaican 36.5 million or US $237,000. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen or you may visit the description area below. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.